Day 2 Masbate Part 1. We went to a beach and we really had fun. This is what happened. Mga bata.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own self.
It's crazy. We have to go back there again.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
Okay, I'm trying to make a short film using this phone and Zion gimbal at the beach, using M as a model again, and then we'll try to create another different kind of short movie with a different kind of taste. Okay.
Step on a lot of this rocks basically. It hurts. But I kept taking some videos though. When one of her M's family member wanted to say like, hey, can you make a montage of me to look good with the Dalagang Pilipinas music? I said, yeah. That's the project I made for her. Check it out. Yeah, that's nice, right? I hope you like it though. But then I continue on, play with some families and take more videos for them for my vacation. Graduating.
Let me borrow your GoPro.
On the beach with the kids and I start to throw them away and then they start to chase me like crazy.
Mga bata. Nagiging sakripisyo ako. Bata. Carry them. Carrying responsibilities like that is hard. To carry 3 children. One carry. That is hard.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yeah.
Anyway, after playing at the beach, the guys wanted some beers. I go out with KL, we're riding the motorcycle, and I just
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.
It's very hot. Very, very hot. I'm burning lotion. Got the beer, baby. Woohoo!
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Now, since I can't drink and it is really hot, so I just asked Em to take some videos of me, and well, she pretty nailed it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is
Then after we're done with everything, after the shot, you finish with your drinking, we went home and take this picture.
Woo! If you actually finished the video, I appreciate it. And that was day 2, part 1. And part 2 is coming in, so I hope you guys subscribe and have fun. I really appreciate for you guys to actually subscribe. Thank you guys. See you on the next video, man. Peace out.